Drowning in digital forms, let's dive headfirst into the ultimate form-building face-off. Typeform vs Paperform. First up, design. Typeform champions conversational flow, one question at a time, while Paperform opts for a sleek, document-style approach. With Typeform, experience a sleek, modern feel designed to engage users. On the other hand, Paperform gives you a blank canvas for more robust customization. Typeform lets you customize colors, fonts, and backgrounds. Personalize each question to match your brand and captivate your audience. Paperform offers advanced customization like injecting custom HTML and CSS, granting complete control over your form's appearance. If you are looking for more control, this is where you will thrive. Integrations, both pack a punch. Typeform connects seamlessly with tools like Zapier, Google Sheets, and MailChimp. Cost? Typeform offers a free plan with limited features. Both platforms offer tiered paid plans. Explore each options to find which one suits your needs. So, which reigns supreme? Typeform for conversational charm, Paperform for design power. The best choice depends on your unique project and style. Like and subscribe for more comparisons.